Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to solve a coordinate plane problem. We're going to be taking a look at a triangle. We're going to be given that triangle's coordinates and we're going to be solving some questions. Okay guys, so let's begin. Okay guys, so in this case we're given the triangle QRP. We're being asked the perimeter, the slopes, the type of triangle it is, and what is its area. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to see is that in order to find the perimeter, we actually have to find the distance between all the points, right, in the triangle. So let's begin by doing that. So we're going to find QR, right, with the distance formula, which again is going to be the square root of y2 minus y1 to the power of 2 plus x2 minus x1 to the power of 2. So in this case, it's going to be 7 minus 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 minus 7 to the power of 2, right? And that is going to give us 3 to the power of 2, and then minus 4 to the power of 2, which is going to give us the square root of 25, which is going to be 5. Okay, now let's find RP. We do exactly the same thing. So we're going to go 4 minus 0 to the power of 2 plus 7 minus 4 to the power of 2, right? That's going to be 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2. And that is also going to be the square root of 25, which is again going to be 5. Now, last but not least, we're going to find QP. So when finding QP, we're going to do again the same thing. So it's going to be 7 minus 0 to the power of 2 plus 3 minus 4 to the power of 2. And that is going to give us an answer of the square root of 7 to the power of 2 plus minus 1 to the power of 2, which is going to be the square root of 50, which is going to be 5 square root of 2. Okay, so now that we have found these, we can actually find the perimeter. Now remember, the perimeter is the sum of all the sides. There's going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 square root of 2, which is going to be 10 plus 5 square root of 2. Or if we want to use decimals, it's going to give us an answer of 17.07 units. Okay guys, now with B, we're going to find the slopes. Now we're going to find the slopes of each side. Now, let's find the slope of RP, or slope 1. Okay, y2 minus 1 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so it's going to be 4 minus 0 divided by 7 minus 4, which is going to be 4 divided by 3. It's very, very simple. So M2 is going to be this one, so QR. So that second slope is going to be 7 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 7, right? And this is going to give us a value of 3 divided by negative 4, which is going to be minus 3 divided by 4. And then, last but not least, we're going to have our slope, or M3, which is going to be this value right here. So it's going to be 7 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 4, which is going to be 7 divided by minus 1, which is going to give us a slope of minus 7. Okay, guys. Now, what can we see about these slopes? We have slope 1, M1, M2, and M3. Now, as you can see, these two slopes are 4 divided by 3 and minus 3 divided by 4. Now, we have to remember that whenever the multiplication of two slopes gives us minus 1, they are going to be perpendicular. And in this case, we have that. So if we multiply them, that is going to give us an answer of minus 1. So that means that these two are perpendicular, meaning that here we're going to have a right angle. Okay? Now, that really helps us to solve problem C, which is going to be what kind of triangle is PQR. Now we see with the sides, it has two sides that are equal. so it's going to be isosceles. But we also know that it's going to be a right triangle. Okay, so according to the sides, it's going to be isosceles, but according to its angles, it's going to be a right triangle. So that's how we know. Now, do you guys remember how to find the area of a triangle? Right, the area of the triangle is going to be the base by its height, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So the base is going to be 5, which is this length. The height is also 5, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So base times height times divided by 2. So 5 times 5 is 25 divided by 2. That is going to give us 12.5 units squared. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So very basic formulas, but we have to remember the concepts of perpendicular lines and parallel lines whenever we are solving polygons in the coordinate plane. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!